Hi guys, Nick is here from Space. Welcome to our video series for implementation of SketchUp in architectural design workflow. Hopefully, during this time you will enjoy at the first place, you will learn something, and you will find the way how SketchUp could improve your ability to create, to produce, and to deliver on time much more successful projects than ever before. But let's stop talking and go ahead to see the topic today. So I have finished with all the materials, and I replaced the materials that comes from SketchUp with the Twinmotion materials, and as well I have added some more lights in our object, and you can see here in our project browser I have created a new container concerning lights, and these are from outside and from inside lights, and I also group them, and as you can see we have some lights in our scene. So we have finished with everything in our picture, actually, with all the preparations for our first rendering. I add some more objects such as this car here, so we can go easily ahead and to use path tracer in order to check what actually we have done. You can see here the lights and all the stuff that I add to our scene. So now it's time to create our first rendering, and if you want to create this rendering, at first you have to check from here your preferences for the path tracer. You can adjust the resolution and the rendering pixels, I could say, and bounces concerning the lights. And you have to go, when you are ready, you have to go here into export menu, and the first one is your image. From here you can adjust the format of your picture. It could be PNG, JPEG or AXR, and you can use a max lighting by switching off or on this option here, and when you click here, now actually it shows us that the folder is empty, so there is nothing to be exported. When you click here, you can choose which picture you would like to render or to export, and let's choose the first one. Now, as you can see here, we have just one picture. You can of course render all of them, and you can use path tracer for rendering. You can use a raster for images or not. You can uncheck these boxes here. By right clicking, you actually uncheck the images, and when you are ready, you can click this button here, start exporting, and in order to export your picture to some folder, as you can see here, we can export in our project folder everything. But before to start exporting, do not forget to use path tracer in order to represent somehow the pixels and the images here, the quality of your image, and so on. So let's do our first rendering. So we have created our first renderings, and you can see I created as well several of them. This is the first one with lights switch on, and the next one is with light switch off. And I have created as well several more renderings of our project, and actually we have finished with rendering images for our exterior of the project. So now I also create some folders in our project browser here, a special folder with lights. I have divided these lights to outside lights and inside lights, and you can see I have created inside lights for each room of our house, as well for each terrace of our house, each space from outside. And by working by this way, you can switch on or switch off your lights and create a different kind of images, visualization for your exterior of the house. So now it's time to go back to our project and to create some visualizations of the interior of the project. I will use V-Ray editor for that purpose, and in the next video I will show you how to prepare your scenes for interior rendering and how actually to render your interior scenes in order to create interior visualization of our project. So we are ready for now, and we can go ahead to the next stage of our project. See you there.